Well, this next song might confuse some people because it's about Sherry's world-famous fried chicken. And you might think, what are we singing about chicken for in church? Well, in case you didn't know it, chicken is considered to be the gospel bird. You didn't know that? You didn't? Yeah, because it's like, that's what you did after church on Sunday. You went to Mama's and you ate fried chicken. So this is the saddest song I've ever written. And it happens to be a true story. It goes like this. I went to the doctor the other day. The doc said, boy, you got to quit eating that way. You got to cut out the cheese and the fried foods. I said, Doc, what's a brother supposed to do? I went home and I told my wife, never should have done that. She said, baby, you're gonna take his advice, 'cause we can't have you sick and feeling bad. You're not gonna like us, but don't be sad, 'cause Mama won't fry no chicken. Mama won't fry no chicken. There ain't gonna be no finger licking, 'cause Mama won't fry no chicken. But sometimes when I'm by myself, I get tempted and I can't resist. I drive by a Church's, Popeyes, and KFC, then stop at Go Chicken Go and get a piece and sweet tea. Because Mama won't fry no chicken. Mama won't fry no chicken. There ain't gonna be no finger licking, 'cause Mama won't fry no chicken. Baby, your fried chicken is the best I've ever had, and to live without it, it just makes me mad. So pull out the skillet, throw some dark meat in the pan, and make me some gravy, and I'll be a happy man. But Mama won't fry no chicken. Mama won't fry no chicken. There ain't gonna be no finger licking, 'cause Mama won't fry no chicken. No, Mama won't fry no chicken. Mama won't fry no chicken. There ain't gonna be no finger licking, 'cause Mama won't fry no chicken. Oh, come on, baby. Fry me some chicken. I need me some dark meat and some biscuits and some gravy. Mighty fine, mighty fine. I don't want no mashed potatoes, though. Those are for old people with no teeth. Should have sang this at the end of the service. Y'all will be hungry. I think I'm going to Pizza Ranch, get some chicken.